Hello friends, in this video tutorial we are going to discuss how to get the sum of individual digits in Python. Let's see with practical example here. First of all, I am going to declare n variable and assign the values of 123 means 123. Next I am going to declare a variable ram and assign the 0, and next variable as a sum, assign the 0 value. Now I am going to write here the while loop and give the condition n greater than 0, which means this loop continue until the value of n is greater than 0. Now I am going to write here ram equal n modulo 10, which means this statement return the remainder after divide the n value with the 10 and remainder assigned to the ram variable. Now sum equal sum plus ram. This statement add the value with the sum with the ram and assign into the sum variable. Now the n equal n divide by 10. Here we will divide the value of n with the 10 and the quotient assign into the n variable, and then now I am going to print the value of sum here. Okay, save it. Now consider the concept from the starting. First of all, the value of n is 1, 2, 3. So check the condition. Condition is true because the 123 greater than 0. The control come here and check the come inside the loop body, and the value of n is 123 modulo 10. Return the remainder ram equal remainder as a 3 after dividing the n with the 10, and the remainder is 3 assigned to the ram variable. The value of sum is 0 and ram is 3, so the value of sum is 3. 0 plus 3 assigned to the sum variable. Now the value of n divided by 10, the quotient 12 assigned into the n variable. Now control come here and check the condition. The value of n is greater than 0, which is 12. So condition is true. Now control come here. The value of n is 12 modulo 10. It will return the 2, and the remainder is now 2. The value of sum is 3 plus remainder 2. After adding, assign the 5 value into the sum variable. Now the value of n is 12 divided by 10. The quotient is 1 assigned into the n variable. Now control come here and check the condition. The value of n is 1, which is greater than 0. Now control come to this statement and check the n modulo 10 means 1 remainder assigned into the ram, and now the value of ram is 1. The value of sum is 5 plus ram is 1, so 5 plus 1 6 assigned into the sum variable. Now the value of sum is 6. The value of n is 1 divided by 10. The quotient assigned as a 0 into the n variable, and now control come here and check the condition. The value of n is 0, which is not greater than 0, so which is equals to 0, so condition become false here. Now control come outside of the while loop and print the value of sum as a 6. Now I am going to delete this and save it and run it. The result is 6. Now I am going to take the value from the user. So just I am going to write here int and input function to take the value from the user. Write here enter the number, and now save it and run it. Enter the value. I'm just going to pass here the 1, 3, 4 and press enter. The value 8. The result is 8. Now look here, 1 plus 3, 4 plus 4, 8. Result we have get. Now This is the whole code, and you can also take all the code from my own developed website android80.co.in, and the program is written here. Write a Python program that sums the individual digit of any given number is in while loop. Thank you friends. Please like and comment my video. Thanks for watching my video. Thanks a lot.